નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students to 17th part of 13th chapter ways to multiply and divide of standard 5th mathematics. Today we will discuss cross check for Harshara, which is available on the page number 185. So first of all, open page number 185 in your textbook. Let's go for that. Harisharan wanted to divide rupees 2,456 amongst his four sons. He asked his eldest son to tell him how much money each one will get. So he asked his eldest son that how much money each will get. Why? Because he wanted to divide rupees 2,450 amongst his four sons. So his eldest son, what did he do? He did division rupees 2,456 divided by 4, and he got the answer rupees 624. When Harisharan started, so he told his father that each will get rupees 624. So what Harisharan did? When Harisharan started giving rupees 624 to each one, he was left with less money for one youngest one. Malab, his eldest son did this division. He come to know that each will get 624. So Harisharan started giving rupees 624 from this amount. But the last one, the youngest one, he was left with less money for the youngest one. That means what? This division is wrong. This division is wrong. Ideally there should be 4 equal parts, but it is not there. So Harisharan told, it seems you have made some mistake in the calculations. Let me check. Harisharan multiplied 624 with 6. So what Harisharan did? See, he got this answer 624. So Harisharan did 624 multiplied by 4, and he got the answer rupees 2,496. Rupees 2,496. So this is wrong. This one is wrong calculation. Why? Because if we multiply 624, then it should be this amount, but it is not there. So this division is wrong. So Harisharan told, this shows you have done the division wrong. Now the son did the division again. So that son did the division again, and once again what happened? He divided this amount. Once again he divided 2,456 divided by 4 and is equal to, he get 614. Now before telling his father, he checked this one. How did he check this? See, 641 multiplied by 4 is equal to 2,456. So he cross checked that if we divide 2,456 by 4, then the answer is 614. So again, if we multiply 614 with 4, then we will get this amount. So if this is so, then this answer is right, or we can say the process is right. Now it is correct. Each one will get rupees 614. So from this, one important thing is there that what we should learn. first of all, let me make you understand this. How is it so? Suppose if you, this is for our understanding. If you divide 50 by 3, then we know that 3 5s are 15 and 0. We know that, isn't it? So here we can write this process. We can write 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, isn't it? Okay. Now here the same thing. If we, this is we call quotient. This is we call quotient. So if we multiply, this is divisor. 3 is what? Divisor. So if we multiply 3 multiplied by 5, this 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. So remember this. If we divide 15 by 3 is equal to 5, then this is quotient. Then we multiply this quotient with divisor 3. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. This, remember this. So this is cross checking. And second thing, suppose we divide 16 by 3. 16 by 3, then the answer is 3 5s are 15 and 1 is, this is remainder. This is called remainder. So what is there? In this one, 16 is equal to, see in this one, instead of this I can write 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. The same thing, 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Here there is 16. So 16 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So if we could not divide this amount, this number, suppose 16, and we get remainder, then how we will get this? See, 16 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 plus remainder. Plus remainder, that is 1, and is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 is 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So remember this. Remember this. This is very important. Why? Because in the next question, on the page number 186, we will go for the same. Suppose there is 438 practice time. You can see practice time. Practice time on the page number 186. 186 page number. Let's go for the first. Suppose 438 divided by 9. First one, 8. 438 divided by 9. Isn't it? So let's go for that division. Suppose if we divide 438 divided by 9, then let's go for the simple division process. That is, see 9. Here there is 43. So 9 4s are 36, isn't it? And 13 minus 6, that is 7 and 8, isn't it? So once again we get 78. So 9 8s are 42. So remainder is 6, isn't it? We got the remainder 6, isn't it? For that, see how we get now, how we can go for the cross checking. Then what we should do, see the number is 438 is equal to 9 multiplied by 48. 9 multiplied by 48 plus this remainder 6. I think it is not possible in this one. So let me write over here. So 438 is equal to this amount, 9 multiplied by 48, and remainder is 6. So multiply this amount. 9 8s are 72, 7 9 4s are 36, plus 7 43, plus 6 is equal to 438. We get this answer, isn't it? So this way we can cross check also. And here the question is that do this division, check your results by multiplication. This method is called do this division and cross check by multiplication. So we have to go for this division also, and we ultimately once again we have to cross check it also, whether our answer is right or wrong. Okay, so this is the process you should know. Now let's go for the next one. Suppose if it is let me first of all do this. Suppose the second one is 304 B is 3,480 divided by 12, isn't it? So first of all we should go for the division. 3,480 divided by 12. We can go for both the method. One of the method that we learned in this one, that way also we can go, and we can go the process we know. Suppose here we will go for the method like this. Suppose here there is 12. So let's 200, then 12 to the 2400, isn't it? So 0801 1080. Then after we don't know how to go for, and that is why see 108, you know, in the table of 12, 108, 12 nines are 108. So if we multiply by 90, then we will get, so this is 0. So now let's cross check. Now 200 plus 90 is equal to 290, isn't it? So if we cross check it, then this amount 3,480 is equal to 290 multiplied by 12. Now here remainder is 0, so we need not to add it. So now let's cross check it. 12 multiplied by 0 is 0. 12 nines are 108. So 8, 10 carry. 12 twos are 24 plus 10, 34. So this is 3,480. This here. So this is cross checking by multiplication. You can go for this process with the process we know. Suppose instead of doing this division, you can go for this also, 3,480 divided by 12. Then also you will get the same answer. Why 12? 12 twos are 24, 10, 8, 12, 9s are 108, isn't it? So it is 0 and 0 over here and here. So we will get the same answer. Okay. You may go for any process, either this process also and this process also. You may go for. But then after you have to cross check with multiplication like this. Okay. So now, is it possible for you to do this with yourself? Or let me say you do this with yourself and cross check all the multiplication. Why? Because these divisions are very easy. And then the second question. In practice time, second question is there that solve the given sums and color the answers in the grid given below. See what you find. See, you will do this question, solve that question also with yourself. Okay, I am talking about this question. I am talking about this question, second question. This one. This you have to do with yourself, and suppose you find 15 multiplied by 7. That is 15 sevens are 105, isn't it? So you can find 105 over here. Here you can see 105. So you have to color this. See, question is that solve the given sums and color the answer in the grid given below. See what you find. So first of all, you have to solve these multiplications, and then after where in the box the answer is there. Suppose here 15 7 are 105, and the answer is somewhere over here. So you have to color that, and you color this. Do it with yourself. This question also you can do, and you will find this type of design. You can see there is a design in it, isn't it? You will find this type of design. Okay, so do it with yourself. Why? Because all the multiplications and divisions are very easy. You do it with yourself, and with this we are ending this part as well as ending this chapter, and we'll start the next chapter, 14th chapter, how deep, how heavy, from the next part onward. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.